Sometimes life feel like it is closing every door on you. You want to make money, but you don't have any money to start with. You want a job, but nobody's calling you back. You apply again and again, but they pick the people they already know. You try to join the government, but it feels like the door is already locked before you even knock. You see, NGOs posting new job, but you already know those jobs are not for you. They are for someone cousin, someone friend, or someone brothers. You sit down and ask yourself, what can I do? Let me tell you something real today. The system may be closed, but your mind is not closed. Money may be small, but your idea can be bigger than money. Nobody may choose you, but you can choose yourself. You don't need big company to start, or you don't need something bigger. You need just one decision, one small action. You can start with what you already have: your phone, your hand, your skill, your mind, your voice. If you can talk, you can teach. If you can write, you can pose. If you can sing, you can record. If you can fix something, you can offer a service. If you can motivate, you can build a community. Don't wait for the government to give you a chance. Don't wait for NGOs to call you. Create something they will one day call you for. Every person who made it start from zero. But they started. They use what was in their hand, not what was missing in their pocket. When you start small, people will laugh at you. Let them laugh. When you fail, people will talk. Let them talk, because one day the same people will ask you how you did it. Success doesn't start with money. It starts with faith. Faith in yourself. Faith that you can create your own opportunity in a world that doesn't want to give you one. You may not have money, but you have time. Use that time to learn something new every day. Watch tutorial, read, practice, try it again and again until you become too skilled to be ignored. If you don't know where to start with what you already know. Start with your story, your experience, your passion. Start helping people around you. That is how real success began, not from a job title, but from purpose. The world doesn't reward complaint, it rewards result. So instead of saying, I can't find a job, say, I am building something. Instead of saying, nobody help me, say, I am helping myself. Instead of saying, I have nothing, say, I have God, I have strength, and I'm still standing. My brothers, my sister, your dream is not dead. Your success is not cancelled. It is just waiting for you to start moving. Use what you have, do what you can, and believe that tomorrow can be better. Because when you believe that, the door that seemed closed will start to open one by one. Thank you. Please listen to this advice so that it can help you. Thank you.